had to lure the cat back inside because there's a blizzard going on. I don't know. Yesterday, I think you guys remembered, I was out there. It was pretty nice. It was about 50 degrees. And now it's below freezing and we've got a blizzard. Baby, I'm so glad that you don't have an opposable thumb, because otherwise you would just open the doorknob and go out into this, and then I wouldn't see you anymore. Listen, baby. Listen, baby. It's a big old snowstorm and it's sleeting. You don't need to go out there. You just stay in here where it's nice and warm, okay? All right. I know. Listen, it's snowing outside, baby. Okay? Just take it easy. Just stay inside with Daddy. Yeah. My baby. I don't want you to go outside. I am really over this weather. This is not the March that I ordered. You want the doorknob. You say, I know what that doorknob's for. That doorknob is to let me out. Why would you want to go out when it's snowing giant flakes? It's going to be sleeting, snowing. It's going to be about 3 inches. Don't you know when to stay in? You just don't know when to stay in, do you, girl? This is the time to stay in. Not go out. You don't want to go out there. You don't want to go outside. You don't want to go outside. No, don't go outside. You want to go outside to get away from the big gray cat, but guess what? The big gray cat is outside, in case you didn't know. We got everybody inside now. Oh my gosh, I am not up for this. Sure, it's beautiful, but you know, it would have been more beautiful back in December or January or maybe even February. But here at the end of March, not so much. No, I got flowers out here ready to pop. All the birds think it's time to start making babies and nests. Squirrels are out running around being crazy. And it's snowing. We've got some messed up weather patterns lately. And here it is 30 minutes later, and we've already got over 1 inch accumulated. And it doesn't look like it's slowing down at all. This looks like it's going to be a big one. Wow. Okay. Thanks, Mother Nature.